Welcome back. In this video we will talk about empty interfaces in Go. Empty interfaces might seem a bit mysterious at first, but once you understand them, you will find them to be quite powerful. So what exactly is an empty interface in Go? Well, an empty interface is an interface type that has zero method. In other words, it doesn't specify any behavior. Let me show. I am creating a function called describe that takes an empty interface as a parameter. That means that describe can accept any value of any type. And let's call describe function in the main function to see a result. And now I call describe function 3 times and pass different type of variables. First we have a integer, second we have a string, and we also have a boolean type in third call. Let's now run the application. We see that we have an output of all variables. It is because now our function, which is called describe, can accept any type of any variables. Now you might be wondering, when would you use actually empty interfaces in your code? Well, one common use case is when you need to work with the values of unknown types, such as when dealing with data of different types. Let's write an example. In this example, depends on the passed value, we will show the different messages. Let's run this app. And we can see we call 3 times the describe function, and for the first time we see that this is an integer because the type of this value is an integer. For the second time we have a string, this is a string, and for the third time we have this is something else because we don't have any condition for boolean type, and that's why it's running the statement for a default. We can also pass a variadic parameter type, which means that we can pass any number of arguments into that parameter. The function will receive the list of arguments for the parameter as a slice. We should add the 3 dots before parameter type. Now we can pass as much arguments as we want. I will just add here the print statement. Now I will call one time describe function, but will pass multiple values. And we will see all of the values that we passed here. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.